Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Saria Arif Beg. I am studying in 9th standard in Government Urdu High School, Kerebilchi. As you know, our topic is contribution of Muslim in the field of science. Amira has explained of some scientists. Now I will give the details of some scientists which has contributed in certain aspects of science like optics and physics, chemistry, and engineering and mechanical devices. So first topic, optics and physics. The universe is full of light and knowledge for those who seeks to see. This was inspired by Ibn al-Haytham, and the first contributor in the field of optics and physics is Ibn al-Haytham. He is also known as Al-Hazan. His legacy in the field of optics and physics, he was the father of experimental physics and experimental physics. He was born at 965 CE Basra in Iraq, and he died 1040 CE Cairo in Egypt. And his major work was the Book of Stone, which is known as Kitab al-Manazir. This book was written in 11th century. This book was influential work in the history of optics. And next, chemistry. Chemistry is a study of transformation not only of substances but of the human understanding. And this was inspired by Jabir ibn Hayyan. And the first contributor in the field of chemistry is Jabir ibn Hayyan. He is also known as Geber. And his legacy in the field of chemistry is he introduced the experimental chemistry process. He was born at 721 CE Tus in Persia, and he died 815 CE Tus in. And his major work was the Book of Stones and the Book of Balances, which the Book of Stone is known as Kitab al-Ahjar, and the Book of Balance is known as Kitab al-Mawazin. Next topic, we have engineering and mechanical devices. The perfection of machine is a reflection of a perfection thought, which is inspired by Banu Musa brothers, and the first contributor in the field of engineering and mechanical devices, we have Al-Jazari. His legacy in the field of engineering and mechanical devices is he designed water clock and automata, and he was born at 1136 CE Jazeera in modern day of Iraq, Turkey, and he died 1206 CE Diyarbakir in Turkey, and his major work was the Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, and this book is known as Kitab al-Marifat al-Hiyal al-Handisiya. And the next contributor in the field of engineering and mechanical devices is the book of the Banu Musa brothers. There were 3 Persian inventor scholars during the Islamic Golden Age. Their legacy was in the field of engineering and mechanical devices. They innovated automata and engineering. They were born at 9th century in Baghdad and died various years in 9th century. Their major work was the Book of Ingenious Devices. Muslim scientists preached the ancient and modern world by shaping future through their pursuit of knowledge. Thank you for giving this opportunity.